What's up, everybody? I have Bookmail. I can't tell you how excited I am for this, so we're just going to jump in and see what's up. So here we are. We're on the inside here. We got some pink rose petals. I'm loving those. And let's go ahead and open this. Here, let me take it out of the box. Okay, now it's out of the box. Let's open this up. Oh, look at... Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have a pen. I can always use a pen. Oh, and a little... I love this little notebook. Awesome. And then... Oh my goodness. Hang on, I'm having problems. Okay, look at that. With the rose on it. That is so cool. Okay, let's open this first. Great packaging. Autumn, this looks awesome. You did an amazing job with the packaging. Love the way you folded that. Okay, give me a minute. Okay. Ooh. So we have some pure peppermint tea. And then let's just slide this out. I'm loving that rose. Yes. Okay, we have some stickers here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This book is awesome. Oh my goodness. It is her novella, I think is how you say it. The Sword in the Roses. Oh my goodness. This cover is beautiful. I love this. And of course it's signed. And the amazing bookmarker. Love it. You guys have to read this. And of course, she signed it, which I absolutely love that she does. This comes out today. Y'all need to go get this. Amazon and Goodreads. Get this. Check it out. Read it. Y'all, this is an amazing story. Trust when I tell you that. Beautiful, beautiful story. You need to read it. Oh, I know what this is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the art of the characters. Y'all, this is so cool. Alright, you guys. Here it is. Her secret project. Go to Amazon today. Get this. Read this book. It's short. It's not a very long story, but this is an amazing story. You are going to want to add this to your collection. So go over to Amazon, check it out, leave her some amazing reviews because you're going to love this. Thank you, Autumn. I cannot wait to read this story again in beautiful packaging. Love it. Go check it out, guys.